Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Let's dive right into making homemade manicotti. First, get a large pot of water boiling vigorously for your shells and preheat your oven to 375 degrees F or 190 degrees C. While the water heats, gather all your ingredients, like the ricotta, marinara, and cheeses, ensuring everything is within reach. Having everything prepped makes the stuffing and baking process much smoother and more enjoyable. It saves time and stress. Now, let's create that rich, creamy ricotta filling that makes manicotti so delightful. In a large bowl, combine your ricotta cheese with 1 egg, half a cup of grated Parmesan, and a 1/4 cup of fresh, chopped parsley. Don't forget a touch of salt, pepper, and that secret pinch of nutmeg for a subtle warmth. Mix everything together well until it's perfectly smooth and ready to be stuffed into your pasta shells. Next, it's time to fill those pasta shells. Cook your manicotti in the boiling salted water until they are just al dente, usually around 7 to 8 minutes. Drain them carefully and give them a quick cool water rinse to keep them from sticking together. Now, using a spoon or a piping bag, gently fill each shell with your delicious ricotta mixture. Take your time with this step, as the shells can be a bit delicate, ensuring each one is generously filled. Now, let's assemble our masterpiece for the oven. Spread approximately 1 cup of your marinara sauce across the bottom of a 9x 13-inch baking dish. Carefully arrange your stuffed manicotti shells in a single layer over this base. Pour the remaining marinara sauce over the shells, making sure every piece is nicely coated. Finally, sprinkle generously with about 1½ cups of shredded mozzarella and a 1/4 cup of Parmesan before baking for 30 to 35 minutes until bubbly and golden brown. Once your manicotti is out of the oven, with the cheese beautifully melted and bubbling, resist the urge to dig in immediately. Let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld and prevents any accidental burns. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh basil or a little extra Parmesan for that perfect finishing touch. Serve your magnificent manicotti warm, perhaps with a simple side salad and some crusty bread, for a truly satisfying Italian dinner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.